guys, today I will be teaching you how to recreate this 60s/70s makeup look, and it will start right now. Okay, so first I go in with this concealer and cover my eye bags and any other blemishes that I have on my face. A little beginner tip is to get your beauty blender wet, and then it'll blend in your makeup a lot easier. Then I use this True Match powder foundation to blend with the concealer. Now onto the eyes, I use this liquid highlighter to prime my eyelids. This is completely optional. You can totally skip this step or use like an actual eyelid primer. It's up to you. Okay, now that my eyelids are primed and prepped, I go in with this gel eyeliner that I use to create the arch effect that's so popular in the 60s and 70s. I have hooded eyes, so I go a bit above my crease to avoid smudging. If needed, you can tidy up with a Q-tip real quick, and then it should look something like this when you're done. Now I go in with an eyeliner pencil. I prefer using brown eyeliner, but black or whatever other color is fine too, and I just line my eyes. And here is the finished product. This step is optional too, but I just curl my eyelashes real quick. I start with brown mascara on my upper and lower lashes, and then in the next step I will also use black mascara. And then I'm going to go in with this black mascara on only about the first 3/4 of my eyelashes because it'll create this cat eye look. Don't forget about your bottom lashes, they are just as important. And here I am using the same brown eyeliner pencil from before, and I'm using it to draw on fake eyelashes on my lower lids to create kind of an illusion that my lower eyelashes are longer than they really are. And then I go ahead and smudge them with the other side of the eyeliner because I like mine to be less prominent and more shadow-like. Next, I use this highlighter and blush combo on my cheeks, nose, and temples. It's more of a modern take on blush. Now I use the same liquid highlighter from earlier, but I'm putting it on my nose. I also put it along my cheekbones, above my lips, and on my chin. Lastly, I use this bronzer and I put it on my cheekbones and also on my temples. Now for my lips, I use this nude lip liner. And then I go over it with this nude lipstick. And that is how I do my makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.